Hi, I'm Dr. Walter Matwaychuk, and I'd like to inform you that every Saturday at 9 a.m. Eastern, I hold what I call the Zoom Rational Emotive Behavioral Conversation Hour. Tomorrow will be the 27th week that I've been doing this, and during this hour, I take a volunteer from anywhere in the world who is willing to discuss with me a real problem. And I show them how the principles and practices of Dr. Albert Ellis's Rational Emotive Behavior Therapy can be applied to their problem. I show them how they upset themselves and how they can have a healthier emotional reaction to the problem they're facing. And what happens is not only does the volunteer benefit from this conversation, but the people in the audience, what I call the bystander effect. It seems as if when others watch me work with an individual, they too see how they upset themselves about their own personal problems. So this is a no-cost way to learn how to apply the philosophy of rational emotive behavior therapy to your particular problems. At the end of the 40 minutes, I then accept about 20 minutes of questions where I answer questions that are submitted through the chat box. And so it's a real opportunity to learn how rational thinking can improve your life. I encourage you to attend. If you'd like a Zoom invitation, you can go to my website, rebtdoctor.com, and you can submit your email address to me. And once I receive your email address, I will then send you a Zoom link. It's also live streamed on Facebook. So if you don't want to attend through Zoom, which is what I suggest, you could also go to my Facebook page, Walter Matwaychuk, and there you will see it live streamed. So I hope you can attend tomorrow. If you need to know what time 9 a.m. Eastern is in your part of the world, I suggest you visit a website that allows you to convert the time to your local time zone. The one I use is timeanddate.com, and there you can put in 9 a.m. Eastern and then put in the city you're located in, and you will get the local time for you. So it's been a smashing success, and I hope you will join me tomorrow.